Hello, hello, hello. So, Venom Scad, hello. Hi. Hello. Hello. You're so sweet. Thank you. Why I'm so sweet. What's that emoji? You are a beautiful sister. Thank you. You're beautiful too. Let's eat. What is that? Hi. Konnichiwa. Annyeonghaseyo. I cannot pronounce your name because it's in, is that Chinese, Korean, Japanese? Oh yay, what is this spirit? Sorry, I don't have Snapchat. I don't have a Snapchat, sorry. I'm a girl, I wanna be your sister. Konnichiwa. TikTok. I don't have TikTok. Sorry, but I don't have TikTok. And I don't have a Snapchat. I'm not using it. Oh no. Yes. I'm not using like that. Hello. Konnichiwa, TikTok. Where are you from? I'm from the Philippines. I cannot translate your is that Korean, Japan, or I subscribe you. Thank you. Do you have also? I only have a YouTube channel. Thank you for subscribing me. Is that Japan, Korean, Chinese, Korean, Chinese, Chinese, Chinese.